Vlogmas Day 27 and 28. Sorry for not having a vlog up for you guys yesterday. The days are confusing, but speaking in your guys's, the day that you're watching this terms, sorry that I didn't have a vlog up for you guys yesterday. Anyway, get on to what we're doing today. I have been wanting to clean this thing up for a while. It's quite messy, especially, hold on, this is not loosened enough. There you go. It's quite messy, especially as we go down. It's like worse and worse. I just have random stuff in here. So we are going to adjust all of this.
It's not the worst thing that has happened, so you're still okay. Baby, shine through and come. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you.
And that is all of it. I usually leave the bottom two empty because I end up putting shoes there. And then that one, I don't really know what to put there yet. I would rather find new places for the rest of this stuff. This is just clothes that need to find a place to go. Here are some shoes. And these are other miscellaneous things that can find homes elsewhere. It's already pretty late. It's 5 o'clock now. But I really wanted to try the lemon lava cakes again that I made for Christmas. And it just did not go well. I did not like the recipe that I used. Also, the temperature and the timing, it was just off. It was not what I usually do. What I usually do is I bake it at 400 degrees for about 11 minutes. This had me bake the cake for 15 minutes at 425, and I didn't even go to 15 minutes. I stopped it at 13. So that recipe is no good. So what I'm going to do instead is use my regular chocolate lava cake recipe and just tweak it. First things first, I have Ghirardelli Premium Baking Chocolate. I'm gonna melt this whole bar down. This is a 4-ounce bar, so I'm gonna melt down the whole thing with some butter. I'm not a big fan of white chocolate, but that is what is necessary to make this work. I'm making 4 servings. We only need 3, but I'm making 4 so that we have 1 to test. Usually for my lava cake recipe, I use 1 whole cup of powdered sugar, but since white chocolate is like so sweet, I only did half a cup. Got my homemade lemon curd and my lemon juice here. And we're gonna need so many eggs. So we're gonna need 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks. Oh, it's so cold. Mix this up first before we go adding anything else in yet. We're going to need 6 tablespoons of flour. Alright, on to lemon curd. So the other recipe told me to use 1/4 cup. I think I'm going to do just that. At this point I'm just guessing, but hopefully it comes out alright. We'll see. I want it to be tart. Last time it was way too sweet. On top of being not a lava cake, just a regular cake, it was really, really sweet. So I want the lemon flavor to be more prominent. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice if I can get this container open. That'll do. Okay, I'm gonna put that into the oven soon, but after I blow dry my hair.
Pull back the sheet. The worlds that we see don't always look the same. When words have no place and time has escaped, ooh, that's where our hearts connect. So you and I should be human beings and not just pieces in a puzzle we can read.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No.
No.
Much better. Thank you. We ate a piece right out of the oven.
Oh yeah.
What?
Terrible idea.
Not a good idea. That burned.
Fire, 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 fire.
Yeah, hair is done. Should I get curtain bangs? Would that look weird on my face?
What?
Curtain bangs. I'll show you a picture. You don't know what they look like.
Does it mean that your hair would be really short?
No.
Yes.
No, just my bangs. Not super short. Anyway, we have our test cake in here now. Turn on. Okay, there you go. So it's in here. It's not working. But yeah. I'm gonna let it stay in there for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna check it. Hopefully it works out well. We will see. So nervous.
Why?
I want it to come out good. Okay, here's the test piece. I'm gonna flip this over. I think I left it in the oven too long. Altogether, I think it was in there for 15 minutes. If this doesn't work well, I think the issue that I'm having, today at least, is that my mixture is too liquidy. It has to be thicker. So I should have more flour. I'll probably add less butter next time because I think the butter kind of messed it up. Ooh, okay. That looks really good. Here's how it looks. It's not centered in the plate. That's bothering me. But it's okay. It's okay. Let's give it a try. I want you to do the honors and cut it.
Ooh! How many minutes was it in?
Like 15.
Oh,
together.
okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Here it comes. Oh, I feel it. Oh.
Did it work? Did it work? Did it work? It worked.
Gooey gooey.
Yes.
Deliciousness.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Oh, it
Perfect.
looks so good.
Perfect. Good? Ooey gooey worked. Delicious. Delicious.
I gotta write this down.
About 15 minutes? A little under 15 minutes.
Yeah, I made my own recipe basically.
Oh, very good.
Yeah. I didn't
You never
use the
told
same
me
one
that.
as yesterday. I know.
Lies. So you made your own recipe,
Yes.
and so you had your own timing. You never told me that. Why didn't you say anything? That's even more impressive. You made your own recipe for a lemon lava cake.
I love it. Can we
Yes.
taste it?
This is Sweet Shazzy Lay's lemon lava cake.
You
Yeah.
guys can have dinner. I'll have this.
No. Put down. Put down. Have dinner first.
I'm so
Yeah.
happy it came out great.
So proud of you. You feel better?
Yes, I do. I feel a
I
lot
can
better.
tell. You seem like you're walking around all constipated. Yeah, you're like,
I was in a bad mood.
I'm okay.
Fix
I was
it.
like, you okay? I'm okay. You okay? Leave me alone.
And that is the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys had a great weekend and that your holidays went well. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.